How to add contacts on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add contacts on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap New Chat icon at bottom right corner of the screen and now select New Contact. You will get access to this new contact section where you have to add the first name, last name of the person or the contact that you want to add on WhatsApp. Further, enter the country's code and the phone number. Also, you need to save the location where you want to add the contacts. You can tap on simply the downward arrow next to phone and choose any kind of email ID or simply phone. Also, you can tap add information and add other information as well. Once you are done, tap save button and the contact will be successfully added on WhatsApp. You can open that contact and easily start chatting with that new contact on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.